A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. If 27 were added to the number, it becomes 7 times the sum of digits. Find the number. Let's assume the number to be x, y. Okay. So from the first sentence, a two-digit number, that means 10x plus y is equal to 4 times the sum of its digits. So it becomes 4 into x plus y. So if we try to simplify, this becomes 4x plus 4y. So bringing all x on one side and y on one side. So 10x minus 4x, you have 6x, and y comes on the other side. So 4y minus y, that is 3y. So therefore, we can say that 2x is equal to y. Okay. So this is our equation. Now, the next sentence. If 27 were added to the number, it becomes 7 times the sum of digits. Find the number. So if 27 were added to the number, okay. Now the number is 10x plus y. If we add 27 to it, it becomes 7 times the sum of its digits. That is 7 into x plus y, which we can simplify to 7x plus 7. Now, if we substitute y as 2x, okay, so we have here y is equal to 2x. So therefore, this becomes 7x plus 14x, that is 21x on this side, on the right hand side. Now 10x plus this y is also 2x. So that becomes 12x. So if we subtract it, that is bring on the right hand side and keep 27 over here, we will have the equation as 9x equal to 27, and hence x is equal to 3. Now as x is 3, y becomes 6. So our number becomes 36. So that's your answer.